The role of Agile in digital transformation strategies. Agile is a set of principles and practices that prioritize adaptability and responsiveness in project management. Agile teams work in short, iterative cycles called sprints, where they deliver small pieces of functionality quickly and regularly. Digital transformation is the process of using digital technologies to fundamentally change business operations and create new value for customers. Change quickly. Agile allows companies to adapt to changing market conditions, customer preferences, and technological advancements. Prioritize customer value. By breaking projects into small, manageable pieces, Agile helps businesses focus on delivering value to customers quickly and consistently. Better quality. By focusing on continuous improvement and regular feedback loops, Agile teams can identify and address issues early on, resulting in higher quality products and services. Increased innovation. Agile encourages experimentation and risk-taking, which leads to greater innovation and the development of cutting-edge solutions that set companies apart in the digital marketplace. In conclusion, Agile methodology plays a crucial role in digital transformation strategies by providing companies with the flexibility, adaptability, and customer-centric focus needed to succeed in today's rapidly evolving business landscape.